GCCIचे वांगडी आणि जाळवणदार पणजे GCCIच्या हॉलात बजेट प्रेझेंटेशनाक जमिल्ले. उद्योजकांच्यो अर्थसंकल्पाचेर सरासरी 37वेत प्रतिक्रिया दिसतात.
The recapitalization of banks, the PSU, the public sector banks, to the extent of 70,000 crores will bring a lot of money into the system. Goa Chamber of Commerce and the Trade and Industry heartily welcome the proposals which are proposed, and I'm sure this is going to help the trade and industry overall.
CII अर्थसंकल्पाक सरासरी येवकार दिला.
The biggest announcement here is primarily with regards the corporate tax and increasing of that revenue limits from 250 crores to 400 crores, which has made brought most of the companies under the ambit of a taxation bit. With regards some of the positives, as I see it, is a lot of encouragement with regards to FDI investment and making their lives better in terms of how they can get in the funds through many other avenues than what were originally available, and increasing of limits on different sectors with regards to FDIs.
They're taking measures to invite retail investments in treasury bills, which is going to also help them arrange short-term finance for their deficit. So overall, on the macro front, I think, I would say that they've got a lot of things in place.
Another thing that I liked was the focus on logistics that the government is looking into.
Strengthening of the banking system, the digital payment system, the incremental investment allowance that you get for savings. I think this will help a great way in increasing saving.
मुख्यमंत्री आणि BJP म्हणटा नव भारत निर्माण करपाचे दिशेन हो अर्थसंकल्प एक महत्वाचे पाऊल.
ती नव भारत निर्माण करण्याच्या दृष्टीन तुम्ही जर या बजेटाचे जर पळयत जाल्यार हे बजेट हे अत्यंत आमी म्हणटा की गरीब मनशा खातीर, बारीक मनशा खातीर आणि अंत्योदय तत्व समाजातल्या लास्ट मनशा खातीर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करून केल्लो बजेट आसा.
निश्चितपणान आमची 5 ट्रिलियन इकॉनॉमीची जी आमची सगळ्यांची हवेस आसा आणि आमच्या सगळ्यांचो उद्देश आसा ते निश्चितपणान पुराय जातले.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.